Thomas here, Florida Home Inspector number 16. Today I am off Lake Brantley in the Longwood area and a circa 2002 story. And I'm looking at the main electric panel and I have a 220 20 amp disconnect for what is labeled as well. The first thing I notice is, what is this hot leg doing in all of white tape? And I'm looking at the equipment ground going, why is that neutral marked hot plugged into the neutral bus? So what apparently had happened is we took the neutral and stripped away a bunch of thermoplastic to make it a ground, I don't know, and then we took the equipment grounding conductor and wrapped it up in a bunch of white tape and stuck it in a hot leg of the breaker. So interesting little ad hoc make it work type thing. I don't know why it was done that way, but we now have a hot leg that for a well pump that isn't properly insulated. Thomas Bateau, Florida Home Inspector number 16, finding curiosities in electrical. See ya. Zzz.